Studies shows that the average adult spends 8 to 10 hours a day sitting at a desk, which is more than half the day. And to be completely honest, sitting on a chair isn't healthy, especially for long periods of time. One solution is to have an ergonomic chair like this one, the Newtral NT002. Newtral were kind enough to send me their ergonomic chair, and I was curious enough to take a look, showcase its features, and give you my honest thoughts. This is a Newtral NT002. An office chair with a patented auto-following lumbar support feature, tilt and lockable recline angle, an extendable footrest, as well as the ability to adjust almost every piece that makes up this chair. But before we get into the features and whether it's good, we have to build this chair. The chair arrived, the gross weight 28 kilos, and it came in this black colorway, and you can also purchase it in a grey colorway as well. But inside, the components are well packaged in foam and bubble wrap, and you have all the bolts and necessary pieces, and most importantly, the instructions. I must say the instructions were very easy to follow and the bolts were well organized, and it was a nice touch receiving the Michael Jackson gloves. The build probably took around 20 minutes or less if you're using a drill. Overall, there are 10 steps and the instructions, like I said, were easy to follow. After completion, it was really a matter of adjusting and getting used to the different components, and my first initial reaction was it's a comfortable chair. It doesn't feel weak or flimsy even when you have to tilt all the way down, and it could withstand 300 pounds or 136 kilos of body weight. The actual chair weighs 26 kilograms. So let's go through the features of this ergonomic chair. You can adjust the height of the chair by lifting up the back. You'll hear the gears as you slowly lift the chair up. You can also, which is standard on most office chairs, adjust the seat back tilt, and you can lock it in place using this lever, and it can recline up to 136 degrees, and with the extendable footrests you can pretty much relax on this chair. There's also a lever that adjusts the strength of how much force you need to tilt. With the footrest, there's a lever that locks and unlocks the footrest like so. You can also adjust the seat depth, so you can bring it more forward or back. The armrest has multiple ways to adjust. You can rotate the armrest in or out, front or back, up or down. The headrest is also adjustable. You can rotate and change the height. Then you have the lumbar support, which you can use to auto follow, or you can lock it in place using the lever, and the orange knob for strength of the lumbar support. The lumbar auto tracking system follows your lower back as you move to provide continuous support. Overall, the build quality of the chair is sturdy. The base is made from an aluminium alloy and the cushion is quite comfortable, featuring a high density foam for your tushy. Newtral also does feature additional accessories like their laptop table that you can attach to the armrest, as well as much more. I'll have a link to their website in the description if you're interested. But yeah, this ergonomic chair does support the lumbar and it definitely is an upgrade to other office chairs. I definitely recommend this product if you are someone looking for an office chair to support your back, as well as a chair that has a lot of adjustable features. I haven't had any problems with this chair. It's well built, it moves smoothly, and there's a lot of adjustability. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, give it a like, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.